This video tutorial I will cover parse and off methods of year class. Here I have defined the class year demo 1. Here I am calling parse method of year class and passing the text as 2017. This method parse this text and returns year object. I am running this program. Here you can see the output. Here I have defined the class year demo 2. Here I have created datetime formatter object. Then I am calling parse method of year class and passing the test as 2017 and the datetime formatter. This method parse this text according to this formatter and returns year object. I am running this program. Here you can see the output. Here I have defined the class year demo 3. Here I am calling off method of year class and passing the year as 2017. This method returns year object. I am running this program. Here you can see the output.